Hi, are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in the endless use of social media? Do you wish you can break free from the social media addiction? In fact, studies have shown that an average person spends at least 2 hours on social media, with Instagram taking the lead. So let's talk about how we can manage our time using the social media, Instagram most especially. The Instagram is a platform where you scroll through pictures, videos, messages, vlogs, and the likes. So therefore, it's consuming more of our data. And you know that the data that we consume now is not what our forefathers were consuming. So now let's talk about how we can manage our time on Instagram. So very simple and very practical. It's something you can do right as you're watching this video. So pick up your phone, click on your Instagram app just like I'm doing right now. At the top right of your profile, you see a 3 dotted lines. Click on it. You'll see so many options right there. Now, look at time management. Instagram has given you the options to manage your time yourself, but you've decided to scroll through for the next 2 hours. However, you can choose to off it if you know that you just want to be scrolling. But for time management, let's see how we can manage our time. So after clicking on time management, you see daily limit and sleep mode. In fact, you can realize how much you've spent on Instagram on a daily basis. It gives you an average time that you spend on Instagram. So now, for example, this is mine. We have daily limit, and so you have 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, 22 hours or more. 2 hours. So I think that even with this timing, Instagram has placed it that the average number you should spend on its app is 2 hours if you know what you are doing. So now we have these options. Mine is set to 15 minutes already. So when I spend 15 minutes on Instagram, it logs me out automatically. I mean, I would not be able to do anything on the app at that moment until I log out and I swipe off my Instagram app and then click on it again. But while clicking on it, when I've automatically set that I want to just use 15 minutes on this app. Imagine that you're at work and you just take a break of about 30 minutes or 1 hour, and you want to spend 15 minutes on the web, 15 minutes to eat, and probably take a stroll. Instagram has set this daily limit for you. So after you've chosen your time, your preferable time, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes, or 2 hours, now you start waiting you do for 2 hours. Go back, keep on using your Instagram app, and once the time has lapsed, my dear, you get knocked off. So that's how you can manage your time on Instagram this morning. I know that there are some other apps that you can also manage your time on it, even without setting the time limit. I'm sure that when you are done with Instagram is one of the apps that keeps refreshing and refreshing. I tell you that you can never get bored, you can never get out of content on Instagram. Once you can manage your Instagram app, I believe that you should be able to manage other social media platforms. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow us on all our social media platforms. FOKS TV. My name is Lulu, Michael, but you can call me Lulu of Ibadan. See ya later.